Closer to home, Monroe County is making progress on its new Justice Center. Building a new county jail is the first phase of the project. County officials say that part of the project is about 2/3 of the way complete. Roofing on the building began earlier this week. The current jail only has 60 beds, with the county being forced to house additional inmates in other counties. The new jail will have 3 times as much space, with a total of 180 beds.
It's certainly a big improvement over what they have, not only in technology, but also in capacity.
The county hopes to have the new jail complete and inmates moved over to the new facility by September. Phase 2 of the project, which will include a new sheriff's department and courtrooms, is expected to be complete sometime in the fall of 2016.